Okay, let's try this exponential. That's what we're looking at, an exponential function. And we're looking at the asymptote right here. You have to just know it's y equals q. So state the equation of the asymptote. It's y equals minus 8. That's a nice easy mark. Determine the intercepts with the axes. So you just let x equal 0, put it in your function, and there's the y-intercept. 2 to the 0 to the plus 1 is 2 to the 1, which is 2 minus 8, which is minus 6. The next one's a little bit harder because we have to let y equal 0. Then we got to solve it. We add 8, but 8 is 2 cubed. Well, the only way these two things can be equal each other, they have the same base, is if 3 equals x plus 1. Well, I can tell that 2 plus 1 is 3, so I don't need to write it out as an equation. I can see that x equals 2. There's the x-intercept, 2 and 0. Well, we've got all the information we need to sketch the graph. So let's what it looks like. So I'm lucky because I have GeoGebra, so I can sketch a perfect graph. But you just make a graph, write y equals minus 8. There's the airport that the exponential function takes off from. It never touches it, but gets closer and closer to it as you go to the left. It goes through the y-intercept of minus x, has the x-intercept of 2. Label your function f, label the x-axis, the y-axis, and the origin, and you've got your full 3 marks. What's the range? The range of f is all the things that y can be. Well, y can't get anything down here. Look, it never gets down here, but it can get bigger and bigger and bigger into infinity. So we can say y is greater than minus 8. And I think it's nice to say that y is an element of any real number greater than minus 8. So that's what this means here. Y is part of the real numbers. Any real number you like, as long as y is greater than minus 8. And there you go.